In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious Grinch Skewers recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need green grapes, strawberries, bananas sliced, mini marshmallows, and skewers. On a skewer, we're going to start by adding the green grape. Then add a banana slice on top. Add a strawberry. And finally, add a mini marshmallow. Our Grinch skewers are complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.